On the LifeX ICT Initiated 2026 free teaching. Introduction to Forex Trading. Lesson 3. PEEP. Okay, we're here in this video. We're going to learn about PEEP. Introduction to Forex Trading. Lesson 3. PEEP. So, I've given you 2 lessons. This the third one. When you come in newly, these things I'm explaining to you here, we're getting into that real quick now. These are the terminologies we use in trading that you need to know. All right. So, what is PEEP? It is a percentage in points. The movement of the pair in Forex is measured by PEEP. It is the PEEPs that gives birth to the money you make in the Forex market. Example, the price movement from the opening price to the closing price is 20 pips, showing blue. So this is a little explanation I want to give you here, a brief one. What I say here is in the Forex market, we don't see when the candlesticks, like I showed you in the previous lesson, as they were forming, you saw they were moving. All right. So as they were moving, when you go to the Forex chart and you're looking at the market, it's moving. As it is moving, it's moving by PEEP. The point, the percentage that is moving, that is what we call PEEP. Just like when we have, you can say 20 kilometer. In Forex, we don't call it kilometer, we call it PEEP, right? So now, the example I have right here, the price open from here, opening price, all right? It traded down a bit, it didn't waste time, then it came back, rally up, it closed just like as they were forming. I showed you in the previous lesson. Then if you are watching this video for the first time, when you go to the Forex chart, you're going to see this thing forming like this. Then as it's running up, the run from this opening price to the closing price, that is what is 20 pips price run. You saw a fashion designer can say 20 inches. All right. Then when you are driving, you can say 20 kilometer. But in Forex, when you are trading, it is moving, it moves by pip. So as it's moving, you are seeing, okay, 1 pip, 2 pip, 3 pip till 20, you are seeing it. So I'm going to take you to the chart now. When you see how we measure this pip, you see that, okay, as it's moving, this is 1 pip, this is 2 pip, this is 3 pip, this is how it's moving. I'm going to show you that in the next slide. So stay tuned. Okay, so we're back here on the charts now. You're going to see how these things are moving. So let's see now. You are here. Let's say you are in the market here now. All right. Let's say you're in the market here right now. Then you are doing the measurement. You want to know. Look at where price is right now. Let's measure this quickly. Look at where price is right now. Then these two, you see measure. Look at where I put my cursor right here. You see measure. That is the tool we use for that pip measurement. You want to know how many people, how do you count it? Like a fashion designer use a tape, right, to do their measurement. Then we, as a trader, we use this tool right here. You click on it. When you pick it, you put it where price is trading. So if you want to know the price of the length of price from here to this level, you will now look at this high right here. If you want to know how many pips it is from where price is trading right now, you can look at it there to this level. You pick this tool here, then you put it, hold it there, you drag it up. As you are dragging it, you can see it's counting 1.9, right? That is, it is now 2 pip. You move it again, it is 3 pip. You move it again, it is 4 pip. You move it again, it is 5 pip. You move it again, it is 6. Now let's put it at 7. You can look at it there. It is now 7 pip. So from here, to this place is 7 pip. All right. Then if you want to do the measurement from where price is right now down here, let's do that measurement and see how many pip is that. You will now pick this tool again, the measurement tool, this measure, pick it, then click it here, take it down. You're seeing it as you are dragging it down, you see it will be counting. All right. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's put 8. You can see right there now. This is the number that you always pay attention to. All these other ones, no. Then this last one is what you pay attention to. When I put it up there to you, saw I was counting it. All right. So from where price was at that point down to this level, it was 8 pip. So that's how you know. Then it is these pips that give birth to the money that we make. All right. So as you are here in the lecture, the next lesson that is coming up will make you know how you use these pips to make money. How these pips are the money. Because I say this pip is what give birth to the money, right? So in the next lecture, which is lesson 4, you're going to learn about that. Then you know how it works more. So stay tuned. I remember Mandela FX, the eagle eye. Okay, so the center message of this particular lesson, it is what I want to show you. So as you are getting to the end of this video, you must learn how to do this. So all you should focus on is to focus on how to use the measurement tool. That is the center message. How to use the measurement tool to measure pip. That is what this particular lesson is all about. Then this is my phone. A lot of you, some of my students ask sometimes that the thing is only laptop you can use in doing this. No, this is the practical aspect of it. And throughout this lesson, I'm going to be using phone, I'm going to be using laptop, so that both of you that are using phone and laptop and whatever device you're using, you'll be flexible on both sides using this thing. So I used laptop in the previous slide, measuring the pip. So this is phone now. When we come here, where is the measurement tool again? Look at it here. This is the measurement tool here. All right, this one, and I cycle right here. So when you pick it, you pick it there. When you pick it, you now take it to where, look at these dots right here. That's where the price is. You now click it. I want to measure the pip from there down now. So you drag it down. You can see it's reading. Look at it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's put it here. The end to this end, that is 13 pips. Let's make it 14 pips. Okay, you can see there 14 pips. So that is how you do it with your phone. Then if you want to measure the price from where it is to the upside, you now pick the tool again, the measurement tool, put it where price is. Look at it. Look at how I'm doing it. All right. Put it where price is there. Then you drag it up. When you are dragging, you see it's reading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's leave it at 8 there. That's 8 pips. You can see right there the number. So in this video, all you should focus on, just learn how to do this. All I want you to be able to do in this video is using this measurement tool. As you are watching this, go to your phone, do the same thing that I do here. You ensure that you are able to use the tool, measure the pip up and down. Once you are able to do that, you have conquered this particular lesson. So, congratulations in advance. See you in the next lesson. I remain Mandela FX, the Eagle Eye.